course. Why don't you take a look at my new parrot, Polly? I just got her last week.
Wow, so cool!
Yeah, they have very strong beaks, and they're good at imitating human voices. They also,
Oh gosh!
as I was saying, parrots also like eating fruits, seeds, small insects, and even...
Oh gosh! I'm out of popsicles again?
Grrr.
Peck, Polly keeps interrupting you.
I know. Ever since I got her, she just keeps imitating my voice.
Oh gosh! Oh gosh! Oh gosh!